Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Umi. Welcome to this session on collaborative learning, in which later will be referred to as CL. In the evolving landscape of teaching and learning, collaboration has emerged as a cornerstone of effective education, particularly in language learning contexts. But what exactly is collaborative learning, and how does it work? Miss Lily will describe further on this.
Thank you. Let me begin by briefly describe about CL. CL is a cornerstone of modern educational practices, especially in language learning, where interaction and communication are key to developing proficiency. By working together in groups, learners can share ideas, refine their understanding, and build confidence in their language skills. This session explores what CL is, its characteristics, and the step-by-step processes to effectively implement it in a language classroom. Through meaningful collaboration, students not only learn from one another, but also develop essential interpersonal and critical thinking skills. CL is an approach that centers around group activities where students work together to achieve a shared objective. In a language learning context, CL encourages students to actively communicate, exchange knowledge, and develop linguistic skills through cooperative tasks. Key features include interaction, interdependence, accountability, and diverse perspectives. To implement CL effectively in language teaching, structured steps are essential. Firstly, group formation. Ensure diverse proficiency levels in groups to maximize peer learning. For instance, pairing native speakers or advanced learners with beginners during speaking activities. Secondly, task design. Create tasks that are interactive and promote authentic use of the language. For example, group discussions on current events to practice conversational English. Next, role assignment. Assign specific roles such as timekeeper, note-taker, and presenter to ensure equal participation. For instance, during a group debate, one student moderates, another presents arguments, and another summarizes. Next, facilitation. The teacher acts as a guide, stepping in to provide scaffolding when necessary. For example, offering sentence starters or key phrases for students struggling with speaking tasks. Finally, assessment. Use a mix of individual and group assessments to measure learning outcomes. For instance, evaluate individual participation in group projects alongside overall presentation quality. Collaborative learning in language education transforms traditional classrooms into dynamic and interactive spaces where students actively learn by engaging with one another. Through peer interaction, students build confidence, enhance their communication skills, and develop a deeper understanding of how language is used in real-world contexts. This approach not only fosters teamwork and critical thinking, but also helps students connect theory to practice in meaningful ways. Teachers play an essential role in this process by designing purposeful and relevant tasks, facilitating discussions, and providing guidance to ensure students achieve the intended learning outcomes effectively. In conclusion, collaborative learning fosters an engaging and interactive environment where students actively enhance their language skills through meaningful interactions with their peers. By working together on tasks and sharing ideas, students not only develop their language proficiency, but also build important interpersonal skills such as teamwork and empathy. With well-designed tasks and proper guidance from educators, collaborative learning equips students with the communication skills, critical thinking abilities, and self-assurance needed to thrive in diverse real-life contexts. Let's have a break for a while. In the first part, we have learned about the foundation of collaborative learning. Now, we are diving into an exciting topic that is reshaping the way we approach language education, collaborative learning through Web 2.0 tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these tools to not only boost language skills, but also foster a deeper connection between students, content, and the world beyond the classroom. There are several examples of web-based tools. Firstly, social media platforms. Social media isn't just for sharing photos and updates. It can be an excellent tool for practicing language skills in real-world contexts. Platforms such as Facebook groups for group discussions is a great way to practice language in an interactive way. Secondly, wiki platforms. Wikis are great for collaborative writing and content creation. This is particularly effective in language learning as it encourages students to work together, edit content, and share knowledge. For instance, in Collaborative Class Wiki, students could work together to create a wiki on English grammar with different groups contributing sections on topics like verb tenses, prepositions, or phrasal verbs. This allows students to take ownership of their learning while collaborating with peers. Thirdly, cloud technology. Cloud-based tools such as Google Docs and OneDrive are perfect for fostering seamless collaboration among students, especially when working on documents or presentations. Group writing projects in Google Docs. For example, groups can draft essays together in Google Docs using the comment feature for peer feedback and revision. This collaborative writing process could help students to improve their writing and encourage them to reflect on each other's language use and grammar. Beyond the basic tools mentioned just now, there are many other Web 2.0 tools that can support language learning through collaboration. Padlet for brainstorming. Use Padlet as a virtual whiteboard for brainstorming activities. For example, students can collaborate to generate a list of adjectives for a descriptive writing task about a dream vacation. This collaborative process enhances vocabulary acquisition and creative thinking. Next example is Flipgrid for speaking practice. Flipgrid allows students to record short video responses to prompts such as, "What are your favorite hobbies?" This tool is particularly useful for improving speaking and pronunciation skills in a comfortable, low-pressure setting. The final example is Kahoot for vocabulary games. Kahoot is a fun, interactive tool for reviewing vocabulary, idioms, or phrasal verbs. By creating quizzes and challenges, students engage in friendly competition while reinforcing language skills in a game format. As we've seen, Web 2.0 tools provide a wealth of opportunities for enhancing collaborative learning in language education. We have provided a few examples, but there are many more for you to discover and explore further. By integrating these technologies, educators can create interactive, engaging learning environments where students not only develop language skills, but also digital literacy, critical thinking, and teamwork. The possibilities are endless, and it's up to us to explore these technologies and continue experimenting with new ways to bring collaboration and creativity into our language classrooms. Whether you're a teacher or a student, the key to success in collaborative learning is to engage, share, and grow together. Collaboration allows us to know more than we are capable of knowing alone. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Thank you and happy learning. These are the references that supported the insights shared in this video. Feel free to explore them further to enhance your understanding of the topic.